Pardon, and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, that our chief guest is wrong. So I would like to request each and every one of you to please rise up and let's welcome him with a huge round of applause. So good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. A very warm welcome to all the dignitaries, our chief guests, esteemed guests, participants, coaches, supporters, and parents. I'm your anchor, Anushka Tiranti, and I, along with my co-host,
Rajasthan.
We would like to extend our hearty welcome to today's special event and to Caribbean. Welcome, everyone. Well, today we celebrate not only the talents, the abilities, but also we celebrate discipline, skills, strength, and precision. Today we celebrate the art of karate. So welcome to all the karate, the one who's going to compete today. Our very best of luck to each and every one of you.
So once again, on behalf of Caribbean, welcome each and every one of you to Depo Caribbean. So as we begin our program, once again, can we have a big round of applause for all our dignitaries present by the dice.
Dear friends, karate is not just about physical strength, but it's also about mental toughness and discipline.
As we begin our program, so now I request each and every one of you to kindly rise up for a set anthem. Thank you so much, everyone. So our event is officially inaugurated. So now we shall proceed for the lighting of lamps, I would like to request our chief guest of this event and also our guest of honor and all the dignitaries present over the night to proceed us with the lighting of lamp.
Dear friends, light symbolizes power and it also symbolizes God. And in today's competition, we need to remember God because without God, we are nothing.